In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 entry-level DSLRs available on the market today. We made the list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best entry-level DSLRs. The 5th product on our list is the Canon EOS Rebel T7. If you are looking for a camera that produces a better picture quality than what your current compact camera or smartphone delivers, you should consider the Canon EOS Rebel T7. This entry-level DSLR offers high-grade features such as a 24-megapixel sensor and an 18 to 55mm IS2 lens kit. It is one of the smaller DSLRs on the market and has a textured rubber grip for a firm and comfortable handhold. Its external controls consist of an on-off switch, 4-way controller keys, and the quick menu button that provides quick access to important shooting parameters such as focus and drive modes, ISO, and the white balance. We also really like that you can access and save up to 6 of your most used settings on the main menu screen. Moreover, this camera has a 9-point autofocus that works best in high contrast scenes. Using its continuous shooting, you can practice your shot timing to make up for the T7's performance. Lastly, sharing images with other devices and social media is easy via its Wi-Fi compatibility. Its pros are, it is beginner-friendly, it can be used as a webcam, and it is compatible with all Canon EF and EFS lenses. However, it is slow in continuous shooting. This T7 DSLR is suitable for beginners looking for an affordable camera to improve their photography skills. Up next in 4th place is the Nikon D3500. This camera is still the best DSLR for beginners. Using it for a shoot may feel like carrying a toy camera because of its light weight. The D3500 weighs about 12.9 ounces and measures 4.9 by 3.9 by 2.8 inches in size. Considering that this is a step up from the previous D3400, Nikon modified many features in the D3400. The size, weight, and control layout were modified to be smaller, lighter, and easier to operate. Built using solid materials, this camera has a deep hand grip that allows you to use the camera all day long without hand strain, even with the 70 to 300mm lenses attached. Its improved control layout has dedicated controls aligned to the right of the 3-inch LCD with the 921,000 dot resolution and a flash button at the left side of the back panel. The D3500 has an optical viewfinder that offers 95% viewing coverage, typical for an entry-level DSLR. This means that you have to be careful when framing to prevent unwanted elements from appearing at the edge of the frame. Additionally, we like it that it also has a snap bridge that uses Bluetooth to transfer images to your mobile and allows you to trigger the camera remotely from your phone. Its pros are, it has an excellent battery life, it features in-camera RAW processing, and it produces good image quality. However, its LCD is not touchscreen capable. This entry-level DSLR camera is suitable for photographers looking to steer away from a mirrorless camera to a more affordable one. Still haven't found an entry-level DSLR that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the Canon EOS Rebel SL3. The SL3 is an exceptional performer that uses the same 24-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor as its predecessor. It offers no surprises regarding image quality and is known to be the lightest and smallest EOS DSLR camera available. It even shoots incredible 4K resolution videos with rich life colors. Not only that, but SL3 has a Digic 8 image processor that ensures fast image processing and an ISO between 100 and 25,600 that delivers sharp and detailed images in any lighting situation. We found that its 9-point autofocus system enables quick and precise capture of images. The SL3 uses eye detection technology to automatically detect the subject's eye and focus on it no matter how fast it moves, especially during video recording. Furthermore, this camera has a very angled touchscreen of 3.0-inch LCD that is very easy to operate. It gives you access to compose and review your photos as you take your shots. All you have to do is tap, swipe, and zoom in pictures whichever way you want. It supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capability to share pictures and videos with other devices or straight to your social media. We also liked its creative assistant on the menu, which helps you change the camera settings to suit your test, brightness, and contrast. Its pros are, it is compact, it has external mic support, and it has excellent battery life. However, its 4K video can be choppy. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is an excellent choice for beginners and anyone looking to improve their photography skills. The second product on our list is the Nikon D5600. This is a highly capable entry-level DSLR camera with many exciting features that can capture sport and wildlife photographs. It produces clear, rich, vibrant color, and deep contrast high-quality images even in dark or dim lighting. With the help of a versatile Nikon kit lens, a broad ISO range of 100 to 25,600, and its autofocus system, you can capture quick-moving objects, which surprisingly works well in low-light conditions. It also has good image stabilization that produces sharp and steady images while you make videos. What's more, this DSLR has a clear 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen that provides an excellent visual display for easy operation. This means you can touch, swipe, zoom, whichever way you want, just like using a smartphone. We like that you could connect the camera to your smartphone and remotely trigger the camera. It has a snap bridge that uses Bluetooth to transfer files to other devices. Lastly, the D5600 is ergonomically designed to produce an excellent grip. Its pros are, it has a fast auto response, it works silently, it has a lasting battery of over 970 shots per charge. However, the lens is not sealed, so avoid throwing it around to prevent breaking. The Nikon D5600 might be small, but its fast maximum shutter speed makes it ideal for professional photographers and beginners. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top entry-level DSLR is the Canon EOS Rebel T8i. If you're looking for quality, the Rebel T8i has a range of eye-catching features that make this a great value for money. This camera is not just an entry-level camera for beginners, it has many qualities of higher-end Canon cameras. The beginner-friendly interface allows you to navigate camera settings, functions, and effects easily. We like that the T8i is compact and weighs only 18.2 ounces, making it easy to handle. Its 3-inch LCD touchscreen gives a better visual display, and it has a vari-angle design that flips out to the side up and down. This makes capturing low-angles shots easier. The image quality of this camera is top-notch. Its 24.1 megapixel sensor with an ISO of 100 to 25,600 that is expandable to 51,200, a 45-point all-cross-type autofocus system, and its Digic 8 image processors capture detailed images with rich, true-to-life colors. T8i has a 9-point autofocus system that delivers fast and precise capturing of fast-moving objects and is 4K capable, giving a high-definition cinematic result. Finally, we particularly liked its eye detection technology that captures portrait pictures. Its pros are, it has an optical viewfinder of 95% viewing coverage, it has a built-in Wi-Fi NFC technology, and it can be used as a webcam. However, it does not support USB charging. T8i is a solid, uninspiring entry-level DSLR suitable for content creators, hobbyists, and anyone looking to start a vlogging set. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.